Hey folks, we are going to tear down the Aimee Bio app today. You should take me back to the date which I put. Ooh, no way. This cannot be happening. Why? No, I need to go back to the previous screen. Whoa, then you're like clicking on it, clicking on it, clicking on it, clicking on it. This is something completely unexpected. Clicking on it, clicking on it. Again, this is not clickable. Clicking on it, clicking on it. It looks like there's no country here. Clicking on it, clicking on it. What does it look like? It looks like a text box. Clicking on it, clicking on it. No, it doesn't do anything. But no, it's an image picker. Come on. What? No, there is no image. I just put a dummy one, right? No. Nah, it's wrong. That's an empty space right now. I don't know what is it for. No. Why am I saying this? Why is it empty? Why are you making me do this? This is bad. What? I can't click here anywhere. Nothing works. That can't happen. What is this? How am I supposed to understand what's written there? No. This is unbelievable. Engagement is going to be terribly, terribly bad.